And here we are with another beautiful Italian dessert. We start preparing coffee because today we prepare tiramisu. We prepare tiramisu with Anna Clerici. Here are the ingredients: 100 gram sugar, 3 eggs, coffee, savoiardi that we prepared yesterday, and 250 gram of mascarpone. We cool down the coffee. In the same time we separate the egg yolk from the egg white and we put to beat them. You will not hear the voice of Anna because she has done all the audio in Italian, so I will take part. So we beat half of the egg white with the sugar. We beat well, so we make sure that it's very well done, and the proof that it's well done is to take the bowl and put it upside down, and here we are. We take the egg yolk with the rest of the sugar and we beat and we prepare a cream. On this cream we will add the mascarpone. Using a spoon we will mix together, making sure that there's no big pieces on it. If you want, you can prepare also with you can use the mixer as well. Then we add the egg white, we mix well, and then we start to prepare the tiramisu, starting with a layer of cream of mascarpone, and then soak the savoiardi in coffee. If you want, you can put also some liquor. I do not put because the original recipe doesn't use liquor. So we will make 2 layers of tiramisu, of cream and savoiardi, and finally we put 2 hours in the refrigerator. At the end we take out, we put some cacao powder on the top, and we are ready to enjoy. Okay, see you then.